guys, I'm still quarantining. I can't travel anywhere. Since coronavirus is the new normal, I hope you're all safe from this, and let's hope it finishes soon. Since I can't travel anytime soon, I would like to share one of my travel stories. This was one of my favorite beaches because it was in the rainforest. We saw a lot of animals, but we'll get to that later. What do you like doing on the beach?
Other than swimming, I like to take long morning walks, feeling the warm sand, the salty water, and fresh air.
And I also love kayaking.
It was like kayaking in paradise. It was so beautiful. The evening walks became another favorite for me. You see a whole different world full of surprises. Not forget that you will take so many amazing pictures. And if you wake up early, you will see so many rare birds.
It's pretty cool to live in a rainforest near a beach. You can see so many cute animals. There's monkeys, hermit crabs, snakes, gliding lemurs, which are cute, frogs, and finally monitor lizards. Now I want to say my snorkeling adventure will come up in part 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a good like, give a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!